Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a spring one and it's the milkshakes. Just in case you don't know, whatever's on the side of the seasonal is what's inside. With the exception of the rare, it could be inside any of the capsules. Let's get started. I could already see it's a purple table, which is exciting. The last one was pink with flowers and eggs on it. I love the different tables. Those are fun to collect. And the base is purple too. That's very cute. Checklist. Looks like they gave us a serving plate. Same style we've had before, but it's plaid on the inside. We've seen that with the candles. The mini post is the paper it's wrapped in, and it is spring or Easter themed. Also have our flower glasses. These straws. Yeah, I was about to say, is there only one? These are pink striped and one's purple, so they are two different colors. Just barely though, it's hard to tell. Purple tongs, Easter bunny topper for the lid, and then two more packages in here. Lollipops, those are going inside the shake. Some whipped cream. Is it speckled? Oh, it is. We haven't seen that before that I could think of. And they're different. And then, of course, the resin. Did they not give us a topper? They did not, but that's okay. We probably don't need one for our strawberry milkshake. Let's get started. Here's what the milkshakes will look like when they're done. I think those are pretty cute. I like the lollipops that you put in them.
Yeah.
And we're gonna do this in 3 different stages, it looks like. So first one is resin, straw, cure it. More resin, lollipop, cure it. Then a little bit of resin and the whipped cream. I would say that's a pretty good idea, but you have to be mindful, because this whipped cream is huge, of how it's gonna fit in there. Because if you put the straw in the middle or don't really pay attention to where you're placing it, it's not gonna fit. So let's look at the cups here.
These look so cute.
Yes.
Are there little faces, little Easter bunny faces on that?
On the lollipops, I think they do.
I think it would be cute if on the whipped cream there's a little bunny face, little bunny ears.
Oh yeah, that would be cute. These are flowers.
I think that would be cute, like a little Easter bunny.
So look at that. Look at that. Okay, so the straw is gonna have to go in one of those petals, we'll call it.
Petals.
And so will the sucker. Because again, if you put it anywhere else, this is not going to fit on there nicely. It's going to have to go wonky. Let me look at this again. Yep, and they have theirs on the side.
For the flower pot and the bunny cake.
Yeah, the flower pot's cute, but hands down, those deviled eggs. Oh. Oh, I almost cried for a minute.
What?
I thought they gave me 2 bunnies and they show one of each, so then you have an extra lolly. I like that. And this one
yeah, because if you want to make like a sweet Easter basket, you can make one with your leftover.
That's true. Last year we did have an Easter basket. Was that the rare?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
I don't. Or was it the Willy Wonka? I don't remember. We have them all, but they kind of blur over time.
Yeah, there's 2 rares: the Willy Wonka and the Easter basket, because I'm pretty sure it was rare because you had to dunk them in the water.
Water? Girl, what you talking about?
Pretty sure we dunked the eggs in
Aren't
water.
these cute?
They're revealed in pictures.
You're right. Yes. They had a coating on them. And yes, they were decorated underneath. So you have a good memory, ma'am. Okay.
Back in my day.
Back in my day. Okay, let's see here.
We had more than lollipops.
This feels very heavy, which is nice.
I wonder what color it is because I didn't look at it.
It's gonna be pink. Spoiler alert. I don't know why I'm a little nervous about this, but
probably because you might forget.
I was about to say, thought you were gonna say I might mess up. Like, don't say that. These stickers, they get really stuck on there sometimes.
Yeah, that's probably true.
Okay. I always have the urge to smell that for some reason when I open it. Don't do that. That's not a good idea. Okay, so it shows it about halfway.
Well, it could smell like something.
That is not really pink.
It looks like clear.
It's like the softest pink ever.
Oh, now it's
But I guess because of the glass, it looks pink. Because it's tinted. Okay, I think that's all I'm putting in the first round.
First round, second round, third
And I'm gonna let it set for a bit because that will help the bubbles naturally rise out. Could also take toothpicks or use a straw since we're putting that in there to pop them. Okay, I'm gonna take one of the straws. There's a bubble right there.
I just pop it.
There's a tiny one there. I'm gonna see if it will rise up naturally. There's a ton of bubbles in this one. Boom, 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 boom. Very easy to pop. And then we're going to stick the straw right up the glass, the side of the glass, touching it in that little corner so that these can still fit in there nicely. Okay, I guess we will cure that and do the next step. Here's what it looks like now that it's cured. I did get an air bubble there, but it's open at the top. So hopefully when I put resin on it, it'll kind of fill in.
It looks like a fizzy green. I mean white.
Fizzy white?
Yeah, white.
I'm going to mainly fill up the rest of it.
That's a lot.
Well, it's got to be pretty high because we want a base for that whipped cream to sit on.
But not too high.
Right. I'm just going to add...
Is this the favorite Easter table so far?
Oh yeah, this is an old Easter one that I'm using because it has resin all over it. So I don't like to build on the pretty tables.
I know.
Do you know?
Yeah.
You're a smart girl.
My favorite table that isn't the old one from Easter is probably the little purple table with the little curvies. But my
Purple
favorite
table with the
little, little platform things, I like the spring vibes.
Yeah, I'm using this to poke the bubbles. Okay, so now they have theirs angled. I don't know that that's going to work, honestly. And they have it like across from it like this. I still think it has to be more upright, but I guess we can kind of test that maybe.
Something's confusing.
Oh,
with
maybe
the
that will work.
Valentine's and the Easter.
It's
the
confusing?
tables look like Easter. Some of the Valentine's tables look like Easter tables.
I'm gonna hold this like this as I cure it, and then we'll see if it matters or not. So I'll be back. Okay, I think that was perfect. You see how close I have it in that little petal? I'll call it the petal. So this fits exactly in there. I'm gonna, of course, add more resin, and then that should sit just like that on top, all pretty and whatnot. So that one's cured. I'm gonna cure this one really good. Ooh, let's add this in first. Don't forget that step. Add that in, cure it, and I'll be back to do the top layer. I am so happy with the Easter sets. These are turning out great so far. So now I'm gonna add resin and the whipped cream. I think I'm gonna do this one blue, so there's a contrast, and then this one purple, which ties in with the egg. I don't know if that's what they did. Yes, that's actually exactly what they did. So they were thinking the same as me. So let's go ahead. I'll do one at a time, just so nothing shifts on me, because that's the worst. Resin starts setting up within seconds, so you don't have much time once you put it on there. I have one little dollop, and it is completely full. Oh wait, I almost just messed it up. We're doing this one blue. So let's set that on top. Move it to my UV light and cure. Okay, technically I added a little bit too much resin that last time because the weight of the whipped cream, it didn't push the resin over the top, but it was so close. It was overfilling. So this one might stop after that drop. So just keep that in mind. And you could kind of roll it around like this so that the resin's touching everything. I think that's actually perfect. So let's grab whipped cream and set it on top and cure it. Okay, these are the final products. I think the egg one turned out a little bit better just because it's more flat. This one's tilted a bit to the side, but these are super cute. I think the lollipops are really what makes it. Did get a couple air bubbles in there, but I'm not too concerned. I think these turned out great. Let's put it on the little tray. How cute. For this set, I would give this a 9.5 out of 10. These are fantastic. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you missed the devil egg one, make sure you check that out because that one's a 10 out of 10. And stay tuned for Honeydukes and more Easter and Valentine's. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.